We're back now with Angie Edge from the Wisconsin Dairy Farmers, and we're happy to have you back because you're always giving us the cheesy news that we love to see.
I love that. So we have a very easy, simple appetizer that's fun to make this month. It's simple and delicious. It's with a full flavored cheese that really screams kind of spring in my mind.
Absolutely.
So it's the dessert cheese and Basil Shortbread little appetizer. So you really get that nice sweet and savory combination, and it's simple to make. Actually, the shortbread cookies on the bottom are a homemade cookie. They use lots of Wisconsin real butter and, of course, some flour. There's actually fresh basil that's baked right into the cookie, and you're going to roll it out like you would a traditional sugar cookie, and then use a scalloped cookie cutter to make them really pretty and festive for the spring. And then once you cool them, you can serve them with a Wisconsin cheese, so you get the sweetness of the cookie with the savoriness of the cheese, and it's just such a beautiful appetizer. Of course, the star of this recipe is the Marika Honey Clover Gouda.
Yum.
I can't wait for you to try this one. It's actually another award winner at the World Cheese Championship contest.
Love that.
Marika Gouda has won so many awards, and she won Best of Class with the Honey Clover Gouda, so I thought it'd be a fun one to feature. And you'll notice there's a little slice of the honey clover, there's a little bit of orange zest, a little bit of honey to give it some sweetness, and then a fresh basil leaf. So just a beautiful appetizer.
And I love how simple it is, yet very elegant, too.
We just like to come up with fun pairings for Wisconsin cheese so that Wisconsin is the star of the show, of course. And I can't wait for you to try this one, but Marika has such a great story. I know we've featured her before, but she is only one of 5 women Wisconsin master cheesemakers.
Wow.
And she continues to win awards. And it's a farmstead cheese factory in Thorpe, Wisconsin. So that means they milk the cows right in the farm, pipe the milk into the cheese factory, and it's about as fresh as you can get. So she brought her knowledge from the Netherlands to Wisconsin to make award-winning cheeses. So she ages the cheese on Dutch planks, which is really fun to see. She has a great cheese shop there. It's just a fun story of a Wisconsin award-winning cheese, a woman-owned company, fresh and successful.
We love that.
Yes,
Women winning in Wisconsin,
yes,
right? When it comes to cheese, too.
You can find this recipe on our website, wisconsincheese.com. You can find Marika Gouda in all the local grocery stores. And it's just a little fun pairing for maybe a spring baby or bridal shower or maybe graduation party, but a great way to serve Wisconsin cheese.
The options are endless when it comes to cheese.
And another great way to support our Wisconsin dairy farmers.
There you go.
Yes.
Best of both worlds. Angie, thank you so much. Appreciate it.